Happy New Year! Welcome to Dimple's and Arabian journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon. Please do find us and do connect us on our Facebook and Instagram page by following the hashtag flouraroma. The details and the links have been mentioned in the description box below. So today's unique recipe out of the box is savory muffins, cheese and vegetable muffins. Very quick and easy recipe, can be made within 20 minutes. So let us now have a look onto the ingredient list. So here I've taken mixed vegetables around half cup, which includes corn, beans and carrots, and half cup of chopped potatoes, which has been roughly chopped, and 1.5 cup of flour. This is normal refined flour. Here I've taken 1 cup of milk. This is room temperature milk, so you need to be careful about it. 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, shredded mozzarella, and 2 tablespoons of chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of herb mix powder, and 1 tablespoon of salt, or according to your taste, more or less. Please note that I'm adding the baking soda directly to the flour, that is only 1.4 teaspoon. Please add the flour in a bowl, that is around 1.5 cup of flour. Then goes the mixed vegetables. Be experimental, you can add in any kind of vegetables as per your choice. Now this is roughly chopped potatoes, around half cup. So this is, I could say, that actually enhances the taste, so you don't miss on potatoes. Then goes the chili flakes, adjusted accordingly. And then goes the mixed herb powder. Salt as per your taste, or you can skip on because we are going to add some butter to it. If you're using salted butter, then you can just completely miss on salt. Just give it a good mix, and then followed with milk. Please add the milk into batches. Just a tip that adding milk into batches will actually help you understand the consistency. So that's better to add in batch-wise. And then followed with the cheese. You could just save the cheese, 2 tablespoons for the toppings. Post you add in the cheese, I would like to advise you to combine it very well and mix it thoroughly for around 5 to 10 minutes. Post mixing them thoroughly, you can just add 2 tablespoons of butter. And one last mix. Good enough for around 5 minutes. While it rests for 2 minutes, what we can do is grease the muffin tray with the remaining butter. Grease it very well. I've generously added the butter and greased it very well so that it's easy to scoop them out and demold it. If you do not want to use butter, you can also grease them with normal oil. Just add in only 1/4 scoop so that it has a space to rise up. Here I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of the remaining cheese. Just top it up, and some with potatoes, which I've just saved it, around 2 tablespoons. So any choice of yours is okay, like you can add in any vegetables or even more cheese. I enjoy my savory muffins with more of spice to it, so I'm adding more of the chili flakes. You can just skip it if you do not want to. Later, pop them into the oven. Bake it around 20 minutes for around 180 degrees centigrade. So here it is, post 20 minutes, all baked, perfectly baked, soft and yummy. Let's check. Prick them and check it, comes out clean and it's perfectly baked. It's quite hot, so I'm just being careful. So there it goes. My cheesy savory muffins is all set and all ready. This is completely eggless and 100% vegetarian version of muffins. So I would just like to show you some pieces of it. It's super soft and super cheesy. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video today. The super cheesy vegetable muffins. So stay connected with Dimples and Arabian Journey for some unique out-of-the-box recipe as always. Enjoy! Thank you for watching, and if you really liked and enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and do leave your valuable comments under the comment section below. And yes, please don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family.